Hello all. A very popular strategy these days on social media for Bank Nifty is 920 straddle strategy. So basically, in that strategy, what we do, we find the current at the money price of Bank Nifty, which is currently trading at 35,800, and then we sell two options, the call and put options, which are at the money. And if we can buy the call and put hedges with that, then that reduces the margin that we have to uh, give to our broker. So I decided, why not automate this strategy with the help of Python program, so we don't have to do the manual work daily. This is because this is all about a psychology game. It's not that this strategy has stopped working, because a lot of people have known about it, and its edge is gone now. The edge in following this strategy is the discipline, and the discipline most of the traders don't have currently. So I think a very good idea would be actually to automate this strategy so that we don't have to really look at the P&Ls and get frustrated if suppose it's currently running in a losing streak of 3 to 4 days. Uh, so what happens if we trade the strategy manually? Then we think that, oh, the strategy has stopped working. It's just giving so much losses for the past 3 4 days or even a month. Uh, then we change our strategy and we can go to a different strategy. So just because we are in a drawdown of some fixed percentage doesn't mean that the strategy is bad. It just means that we are not disciplined enough. So with that take, I have tried to build this software on Python. So this is the software which runs. I'm running on PyCharm. Let's run this. It will show the current at the money price. Basically, I will run this software in the morning during market hours. So it will show the currently at the money strike price of Nifty Bank. Then it will show the different call hedges that I can apply along with their price, and the put hedges that I can apply along with the last traded price. Also, it will show me this very good data frame, which is all the possibilities of call and put hedges that I can apply with the at the money straddle. So basically, what is the decision here in using this strategy is which strike price are you going to use for the hedges. There are many options, different options, and they determine how will be the final margin that will be blocked in your account, and also what will be you paying for the buy premiums. So how to make a decision on that, I have incorporated in this strategy. Basically, it will take different combinations of all the hedges that I can apply with the current at the money strike straddle, and it will give what will be the margin required for all those combinations. Like for this first one, if I buy this 37,800 call hedge and 33,800 put hedge along with this straddle, then the initial margin required to place the order for one lot will be 41,711. The final margin blocked will be 37,836. And what will be paying for the buy premium will be this much amount. So what I have decided that this strategy picks a certain combination of these strike prices in such a way that we are paying very less premium, and also margin required to trade this strategy for one lot is less. So here it has decided that it will take these two hedges, and it is showing the LTP for those hedges and the straddle as well. Then what selling price and buying price we'll be using, it's showing here. And currently the markets are closed, so the market depth information is not there. So from the market depth information, we will give the buying price and selling price. So currently it's showing as negative figure. Finally, when we go to the order placing stage, currently the markets are closed, so it's showing markets closed right now. So that's it for this strategy.